Good evening. That was indeed such a nice find to start the year with. I totally love this. Yes. This crater, Mare Moscoviense, the bunny linked with Sailor Moon. That is really fantastic. And what's more, the bunny shows where the crystal is. She put the bunny against her heart, and then the crystal starts glowing. And we see that the crystal, of course, is here in the center point. That is crater Titus. This is the first picture I want to share. We see the red swirls here going to the bow, red and blue. Red and blue, positive and negative polarity, comes together, boom, makes the jewel, creates the crystal. And when that happens, her hair is going haywire. Who could ever know that this was the snake? Check this picture that I found. Okay, let's go to the next. So, if this one is making the crystals, and we also know that the Aitken Basin is doing the same, the lunar south pole. So we have two craters, very important already, and now you know something is missing here. Of course, Mare Oriental. And how do they come together? Moon prism power. I think altogether that must be something. I still have to check the coordinates on the moon globe to see how they are positioned towards each other. Oh, that was a sentence. So that is the bunny, and you linked the bunny with the weather. But you know me, I also want to link it with a place on Earth, a place on the globe, where we can see it, or where we at least can link it with something that is written, like the name of a city or a place. For that, I had to watch Act 0. Yes. Well, that is really a video. Whoa. It explains when we are in trouble, where we are in trouble, and how we are in trouble. This episode will also show that the moon is planet X. Although it is a hidden message, it is very obvious. Everything is calm and bright around you, Virgin. Constellation Virgo. Mother and child, constellation Virgo, and the moon seem to be birthed by the constellation Virgo. So that is a reference to the constellations, so Christmas and the constellation. And then suddenly the action starts. What's happening? A robbery. Sailor Venus is laying there, and what happens? Artemis falls into her face. Google Artemis, and that's what you get. The symbol. So anyway, that does not look so good. She gets the powers, and then she defeats the robber, the warrior of justice. That was the intro, and then they go to the house of Usagi. I have to pause this. Check this. Usagi on a dinner plate. Check here. The broccoli, the pasta, and the carrots, the hair, and then the blue thing must be the crystal or the ice, but I think more like the crystal. Then the mother calls Usagi, and what does she say? The sun rose from the west today, so that is the morning after Christmas. And then is the news about the robbery, the jewelry store. So now they say it's about the jewel. And Sailor V came there to rescue. That is a funny part. But then they say where it's happening. And that it happened more than once. In District 10. And, see this? She says the police is useless after it happened. So now we know where it is District 10. So I search more for that. This time not on Google but in Google Earth. And I type District 10. And what do we see? Hungary. So I click the one in Hungary. Go there. Oh, what does it say? District X. And now my coin is dropping. Of course, District 10 is District X. Of course. So, District 10, District X in Budapest. Buddha is God, we know that. What else can we see here? Oh, that looks like a cross. This too. Okay. Then I search for other districts then. One in Zurich. So now we should match this crater here, but of course I do not know yet what size. I have tried the rabbit over this one here, and yeah, it looks a little bit like a rabbit, but I was not happy yet with the result. Where else do we have a planet X, District X, and I was surprised about that because the city is Soest, and in Soest is a very well-known city for the Belgians. The city is in the Netherlands, and that was a Belgian military base. Yep, District X, and look at the place. Look at the place. Serious. Look at the place. Totally here. Mining. You see what it is. Okay, I have also found one in Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh, I think. Yeah. Still not knowing what size do I have to use to find a perfect overlay and a perfect combination with the Earth's surface. So I tried the bunny on an LSP picture. Yeah, that should be here. let's try this one. So I compare it. Is this if this is the most important spot, it has to be in exact the same spot as the lunar south pole. It looks like this. Yeah, but of course not sure for the size. When I take away the south pole picture, it looks like this. You see, I still have another size, but this one is better. That's about it. Here I still have it on the Crystal Cave in Mexico. But again, we see it. Planet X, District 10. 10 is X. And Planet X is of course the 10th planet. Yes. So, thank you for watching.